and welcome to The Interview, HD's weekly talk show. Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut is the man of the moment. Those in the know see him as a kingmaker. Others say he is the party's face in New Delhi. His USP, blind loyalty to the Thackeray clan. Welcome to the show, Mr. Raut, and thank you very much for being here. Let me start with the Shiv Sena and end with the Congress and the BJP.
Why?
Has the Shiv Sena lost its mind? Why is it probing the tweets against Lata Mangeshkar and Sachin Tendulkar?
आपको किसने कहा कि हम लोग प्रोब कर रहे हैं?
Maharashtra's Home Minister Anil Deshmukh is on record to state that since there is a complaint by the Congress, the government will probe the tweets.
लेकिन बात ऐसी है, अगर गृह मंत्री के पास किसी एक ऐसे व्यक्ति ने कोई कंप्लेंट की है कि उस बारे में जांच होनी चाहिए, तो गृह मंत्री का बयान आता है, ठीक है हम जांच करेंगे, आप इतना सीरियसली लेने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Are you saying that the government will not probe the celebrities?
It's up to government. If anybody has complained with Home Minister, with the head of the investigative agency, ये उनके ऊपर है ना. अगर if they have some proofs, they have some information about the tweets, they can probe. But you don't connect this matter with Shiv Sena.
On the farmers' issue, you had said that something is lacking in the Congress effort. Would you elaborate?
Madam, you are right. I specifically talking about Congress because Congress is the principal opposition party. Though they have no opposition leader in Lok Sabha, but still Congress is leading the nation as a principal opposition party. तो ये उनकी जिम्मेदारी में ज़्यादा मानता हूँ कि वो लीड करे इस मामले में, और सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज जो है अपोजिशन में है, स्टेट में है, रीजनल पार्टीज है, जो बीजेपी के खिलाफ है या बीजेपी के साथ नहीं जाना चाहती, उनको अंडर वन अम्ब्रेला लाने की जिम्मेदारी कांग्रेस पार्टी की है, वो हमारी नहीं है.
You also said that the Congress needs to strengthen the leadership. Were you talking about Rahul Gandhi?
नहीं, राहुल गांधी, of course Rahul Gandhi still we expect more things from him. He is big leader, he is ex-Congress president, but today, as we see, Congress is headless. Headless. There is no leader, no president for Congress since last 1 year. This is the alarming situation in our opposition parties. So Congress must appoint his president very soon. Without Congress party's president, how will come together? Under which leadership? Sonia Gandhi is the leader, no. But Sonia, his health is not well, she is not taking active part, Sonia ji. Priyanka is working in Uttar Pradesh. But Congress is big party. In every village and every corner, there is Congress worker, either small or big, there is Congress worker.
Is that one of the reasons that you are pushing for Mr. Sharad Pawar to take over as UPA chairman?
Yes. This is our suggestion. This is just our suggestion. Sharad Pawar Sahab is the big leader, not in Maharashtra, in national politics. He is very senior person, very experienced person, and across the party, he has the great respect in each and every party. So it was a phase, Pawar Sahab, and Congress must accept this. Actually, if we have to come together, Congress must accept Pawar Sahab or any big leader like Pawar Sahab.
What are the chances?
I don't know. This is my suggestion.
You have the reputation of being able to get things done, and you are behind this move. So you should know. And do you think you will be able to manage this?
नहीं, देखिए, जब मैं बात करता हूँ ऑल अपोजिशन पार्टी से, तो एक ही नाम सामने आता है, वो शरद पवार साहब का आता है. तो ये आई एम मच वोकल देन अदर लीडर. सो मैं ये बात सामने रखता हूँ कि वो ऐसा कोई लीडर होना चाहिए हमारे साथ, जिनके साथ हम खड़े रहे।
In response to what Prime Minister Modi said, you said, "We are all Andolan GVs." Does this mean that you are going to keep the country in a state of anarchy and undying, unending protests?
देखिए, आंदोलन जीवी, आई डोंट नो इन व्हाट कॉन्टेक्स्ट मोदी जी want to criticize all आंदोलनकारी. If he is talking reference to the Gazipur agitation of farmer, it's very bad. Modi ji has made one big statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in Ahmedabad. Why? Sardar Patel is the tallest leader of farmers before independence. सरदार पटेल, लाला लजपत राय, ये देश को तो फ्रीडम किसने दिया? किसानों ने दिया ना। गांव गांव में किसान लड़ रहे थे। आंदोलनकारी अगर बात करें तो राम जन्मभूमि का आंदोलन क्या था? वो आंदोलन ही था। श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी, जो आपके सबसे बड़े भगवान हमारे हैं कश्मीर के मामले में, उसका आंदोलन क्या था? 370 हटाने का आंदोलन ही था। और भारतीय जनता पार्टी का जो निर्माण है वो भी आंदोलन से हुआ है। शिवसेना आंदोलन से निर्माण हुई। तो इस तरह से आंदोलन के बारे में इस प्रकार का शब्दों का इस्तेमाल करना मुझे लगता है ठीक नहीं, सबका अपमान है।
He distinguished in the Lok Sabha between Andolan GV and Andolan-Kari.
नहीं, ये गलत है। I will not accept this word. आंदोलन जीवी एंड आंदोलन, आंदोलन इज आंदोलन। मैं मानता हूं चाहे सरकार किसी की भी हो, आपको लोगों की आवाज, जो आंदोलन करने वाले लोग हैं उनकी आवाज आपको स्वीकारनी होगी। ये डेमोक्रेसी है, ये तानाशाही नहीं है हमारे देश में अब तक, या डिक्टेटरशिप यू आर नॉट एक्सेप्टेड। आज नरेंद्र मोदी जी डेमोक्रेसी के माध्यम से प्रधानमंत्री बने हैं, तो उनको एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा। मोदी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दिस इज डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री एंड ही मस्ट एक्सेप्ट ऑल एजिटेशन अगेंस्ट गवर्नमेंट। इंदिरा गांधी ने भी किया था, चाहे हमको जेल जाना पड़ा हो, लेकिन किया था।
You see, he is distinguishing between constructive protest and the rowdy elements. And the Andolan GV, I think he is indicating other rowdy elements.
No, I don't accept this word. Agitation is agitation. आंदोलन is आंदोलन, चाहे छोटा हो चाहे बड़ा, you have to accept it. Otherwise, you declare this is not democratic country. We have dissolved all parliaments and assembly.
What are the chances of the renaming of Aurangabad? Because it is a tightrope walk with the Congress not playing ball.
No. We are going to renaming the Aurangabad as a Sambhaji Nagar. Already Balasaheb Thackeray had declared when he was alive, you have declared this is not Aurangabad, this is against our sentiment, Aurangabad. So the city will be known as a Sambhaji Nagar. There is no compromise in that.
Even if the Congress does not agree?
Congress will agree, I'm sure.
But there is a reluctance at the moment.
This issue is not included in our common minimum program. It's an emotional issue of state of Maharashtra that Chief Minister of Maharashtra can decide what to do.
You know, the Maharashtra government is doing in the state what the center is doing in Delhi to journalists, sending the police to hound them and silence them. What then is the difference between the Shiv Sena and the BJP? They seem to be two sides of the same coin.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। महाराष्ट्र में ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ। दिल्ली की बात मुझे मालूम नहीं, लेकिन महाराष्ट्र ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है। रिगार्डिंग जर्नलिस्ट, वी ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्ट जर्नलिज्म, वी ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी। आपको पता होगा शिवसेना के खिलाफ जर्नलिस्ट ने हमेशा एजिटेशन किया है। शिवसेना भवन के सामने हमने किसी का डिसरिस्पेक्ट नहीं किया है।
But you are gunning for one or two channel journalists.
I don't
Simply
know.
because they have criticized the police and they have criticized the Shiv Sena
They have
and
not
also
criticized the police.
the chief minister.
No, I don't think it has happened. But one TV journalist has break the Official Secret Act regarding national security. They have exposed many things. It should be the secret of government. तो क्या लगता है हम उसको ऐसा ही छोड़ना चाहिए? देश की सुरक्षा का मामला है, राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा का मामला है.
But the
सब
hounding
महाराष्ट्र
had
में
begun before this, before these leaks.
Pardon?
The arrest, the jail had happened before.
नहीं नहीं, कानून काम करता है. स्टेट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र लॉ एंड ऑर्डर एंड कानून का रिस्पेक्ट करता है.
You know, the Shiv Sena has close links with the Bollywood. And that is the reason why the cleanup is not happening. It's very well known that there are rave parties in film stars' homes, and yet the government or the police turns a blind eye.
Shiv Sena or my government never done this such type of things. We have always respect law, police, and his sentiments.
Isn't it true that the Shiv Sena has close links with the Bollywood?
उसमें गलत क्या है? What's wrong in
No,
that?
then
If Shiv Sena has close links with Bollywood, Bollywood is a part of Mumbai city. It's big industry, giving thousands of people employment daily. So what is wrong in that?
there is nothing wrong, but personal friendships then tend to give a sense of protection, and it is a free
No.
for all. And some film stars who are said to be close to the chief minister went scot free. They were not even called by the police.
मुझे
Forget being
नहीं लगता
interrogated.
है पूरा बॉलीवुड हमेशा शिवसेना के साथ हमेशा उनका एक फ्रेंडली रिलेशन था. तो 1 या 2 देखो बाला साहब ठाकरे के साथ तो दिलीप कुमार साहब से लेकर सुनील दत्त तक कोई भी हो बाला साहब ठाकरे जी के दरबार में आकर करते थे. रिलेशन है और रिलेशन रहेगा.
And you, Balasaheb ji ke time, you made a mistake by criticizing Amitabh Bachchan, and then you had to retract your statement.
नो ऐसा नहीं हुआ. अमिताभ बच्चन जी हमारे लिए हमेशा आदरणीय है.
Do you agree with the views expressed in Samna that the UPA looks like a group of NGOs?
देखिए यूपीए इज द ग्रुप ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज और हमको राजनीति ही करनी चाहिए हर पार्टी को, चाहे शिवसेना हो चाहे कांग्रेस हो या कोई और पार्टी हो.
But to say that it's a group of NGOs, what does that mean?
नहीं, ये इमेज बदलनी चाहिए. वी हैव टू चेंज दिस इमेज ऑफ यूपीए बिकॉज देयर आर वेरी फ्यू पार्टीज आर कनेक्टेड विद यूपीए. सो हमको ये उसका एक्सपांशन करना चाहिए यूपीए का. यूपीए ज्यादा बड़ी करनी चाहिए.
No, but why would you compare a political party and say and something like the UPA and say it's like NGOs, it's a group of NGOs? What did that mean? I want to understand what you meant when you said that.
वो पुरानी बात हो गई अभी.
You know, in recent times, you have emerged as a kingmaker, Uddhav Thackeray's go-to person. Would you agree with the description that you are to Uddhav Thackeray what Praful Patel is to Sharad Pawar?
No. I always work in the organization, not with the government. I always work for Samna. I'm man of party. I'm not man of organization, not with government. Praful Patel is big leader. I'm small karyakarta.
In the past, you had advocated that the voting rights of Muslims should be scrapped. Do you still hold that view?
See, it was not my view. It was Balasaheb Thackeray's view that time.
That's right. That's right.
Because of the vote bank politics happening in our politics in our nation, if we want to stop this vote bank politics, we must that what you say, voting right of Muslim, एक साल के लिए कट करिए, all vote bank politics will finish in 1 minute.
In the present scenario, do you think that would be applicable, and would you still advocate that voting rights of Muslims should be scrapped?
No, I'm not advocating this now.
You've changed your view?
This is no question of changing view, but I'm not advocating the issue now.
So what is your stand vis-a-vis the voting rights of Muslims?
जो देश के नागरिक है उनको अधिकार मिलना चाहिए, कोई भी हो.
Mr. Amit Shah has called your alliance as a three-wheeled auto rickshaw being pulled in different directions. How do you react to that?
देखो, अमित शाह का ये पॉलिटिकल स्टेटमेंट है. दिस इज पॉलिटिकल स्टेटमेंट. इस प्रकार के
This is a political interview.
हाँ ठीक है, बट मैं कहता हूँ कि अमित शाह जी अपनी सरकार महाराष्ट्र में नहीं बना पाए, उनका दुख मैं वेदना समझ सकता हूँ. हम उनके साथ 25 years we work together, वेरी क्लोजली बीजेपी के साथ हमने काम किया है. तो मैं कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. हमारे रिश्ते बहुत अच्छे थे 25 साल में, आगे भी रहेंगे. राजनीति में कोई दुश्मन नहीं होता ना. ठीक है, अलग अलग रास्ते हो गए, वे आर डिफरेंट वे.
Would you agree that the alliance is really being pulled in different directions?
नहीं, जहां जो रास्ता हमने पकड़ा है वो सही रास्ता है.
You know, Amit Shah ji is also right when he says that the Shiv Sena won on Prime Minister Modi's name. They carried the banners, and every vote that they got, or at least majority of the votes, were in Prime Minister Modi's name. Would you agree?
देखिए, एक जमाने में हम ये भी कहते थे कि बाला साहब ठाकरे के पोस्टर और फोटो लगा लगा के महाराष्ट्र में बीजेपी बढ़ गई. देखो, बड़े नेता होता है अलायंस में, अलायंस के नेता होता है, उसके पोस्टर लगाते हैं ना, फोटो लगाते हैं, जो अलायंस का नेता होता है. देखिए, हु इज द बिग लीडर ऑफ अलायंस, ऑन हिज नेम वी कॉन्टेस्ट द इलेक्शन. Once we use the photos of Atalji, then Bala Saheb Thackeray, now Modi ji is leader of India. What is wrong in that? Of course.
So you admit that lots of votes came because of Mr. Modi, and in that sense you agree with Mr. Amit Shah.
With alliance, he is the big leader. I agree. But Shiv Sena is Shiv Sena. Shiv Sena has his vote banks in Maharashtra, and nobody can disturb our vote bank.
You know, you are also being credited, and I use the word credited, of changing Mr. Uddhav Thackeray's mindset and making it more pro-North Indian. The hate speeches have gone, and somewhere people say that it is because of Sanjay Raut that Uddhav Thackeray is becoming a kind of a socialist.
No, now Uddhav Thackeray is not a state leader, he is national leader. We expect and we try he should lead the nation very soon. हमें चाहते हैं कि वो देश का नेतृत्व करे, दिल्ली में आए, नेशनल स्टेज पर आए वेरी सून. तो देखिए, देश एक है और किसी को भी, किसी भी राज्य, किसी भाषा को हेट करना ठीक नहीं.
You know, your wife unfortunately was pulled and summoned by the enforcement directorate in a money laundering case. Of course, it is political vendetta. I will not go into that. But my question to you is, does this mean that you are becoming important by the day, and hence you and your family are being targeted?
Of course, yes. But we don't care about all these things. We will face and we will fight.
So you agree that you are becoming important by the day?
Maybe, if my opposition think like that, yes, I'm important.
Mr. Sanjay Raut, thank you very much for this very interesting and elaborate interview.
Thank you.